Next, we'll demonstrate chain stitch. You can see numbers marked below. What do they mean? They indicate the number of strands needed. For example, this says 3. You need 3 strands. This says 5. You need 5 strands. This is 6. You need 6 strands of floss. Let's demonstrate. Start with the thinnest, 2 strands. Use color 4, 2 strands. Bring up at top end of the line. Go back down at the same spot. Don't pull tight. Leave a loop on the fabric. Hold the loop down with your finger. Bring up about 1 stitch length away. Make sure needle goes through the loop. This creates a chain link. Once more. Go back down at the exit point. Don't pull tight. Bring up about 1 stitch length forward. Continue demonstrating. Don't pull tight. Bring up. When stitching, note, it's a continuous chain of linked loops. Cannot break the chain. Breaking it won't form chain links. So always go down inside the loop. This creates continuous chain links. Follow these steps to complete the remaining line. When stitching, keep each stitch length the same. This creates smooth lines. Last stitch. Take down along outer edge of the loop. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's look at the 6-strand line. This is much thicker than 2 strands. Let's demonstrate. Use color 7, 6 strands. Bring up at top of the line. Go back down at same spot. Don't pull tight. Bring up about 1 stitch length forward, creating a chain link. Pull thread. This stitch is great for outlining edges or for decorative borders. After stitching, take down along outer edge here. Let's look at the finished result.